As for what we see here, we're not expecting big impacts from this disturbance for South Louisiana and our part of the Gulf Coast. But this area of rain, this low pressure kind of broad space in the eastern Gulf is going to have a chance of developing into a depression, maybe even, as I said before, a brief tropical storm. More so, it looks like probably on the western side of this area outlined by the National Hurricane Center. And we do have a lot of other spots. I'll get back to that spot in a second, but just wanted to point out all of the different things happening. But surprisingly, you may look at this map with just this lineup of disturbances or tropical storms and think that at least something is going to threaten us, but no, that's not what we're looking at. Everything out here either weakening, like Tropical Depression 6, very fast with strong wind shear, or the two new tropical storms, Emily and Franklin, which is in the Caribbean Sea. They're forecast to move off to the north and never make it to our part of the Gulf of Mexico or Gulf Coast. More details on all that coming, but first I just wanted to show you that disturbance. There is some rain out here over the eastern side of the Gulf of Mexico, and our precision cast model showing we may get in on a little bit of rain from this tomorrow, but here is the center trying to form a little bit as it moves into Texas and might bring some heavier rain to extreme South Texas. By early Tuesday morning, it should already be inland. So for us, no big local impacts. Now we may get some passing rain tomorrow, mainly south of the lake. It'll be breezy tomorrow, up to maybe 15-20 mile per hour winds from the east. And then Tuesday and beyond, boom, the extreme heat comes right back. Although tomorrow with the rain and that bit of a breeze may not feel that bad, and temperatures may not be as bad either, maybe lower to middle 90s. Okay, Tropical Storm Franklin. This is the new one in the Caribbean Sea, formed about an hour and a half ago. It's going to hit an upper trough, which will draw it off to the north. So for the island of Hispaniola, there's some rain and wind effects. After that, though, it's heading out to sea and maybe gaining some strength out there over the Atlantic. Emily also formed early today. It's forecast to take that path off to the north and will be fighting a lot of wind shear, so may not be a very strong system for very long. Even now, it's just a low-end tropical storm.